YouTube, jacuzzi with an unboxing. What is it, you ask? It is an Alienware 25 gaming monitor port LED Ju Alienware 24. Okay, I need my blade. Hold up. I'm not a hoodlum, guys. You don't need no other. You don't need no other morning. Watch that, watch that. Alright, let's go. I'm dumb hype, yo. I got a new gaming desk today too. Matter of fact, why not show y'all, right? This came in today too. I'm fixing the setup. I can't flip the camera around, so that came in today. You feel me? New thing. You see? Come on. I am a gamer. Like I said, I am not a hoodlum. Okay. Okay. That is not needed. Another one. Boom. You fold it, right? That's the back. What the fuck? Oh. Wait, what? What? Is there more? Or at the bottom? You don't need no other body. It is. Nah, stop. Let me not. Alright, okay. This is the most ghetto opening ever. But we love it. Okay. I need my blick. Clink. Put that right there for safety measures. Boom, got my face. Wait, what? I don't want to destroy the box, but like, she could get aggressive. Oh, okay. Let me not be a barbarian. That means it's one on this side too, probably, right? Yes, sir. Yo, Alienware, the reviews was good. I seen the reviews. Some people was like, all right, let me talk positive first. Everybody said quality, all that good, great monitor. Other people was like, I don't really know, man. You feel me? But you can't listen to other people. Especially when it comes to you. Okay, I gotta flip it this way. I gotta lift it. Ah, I did it. Goodbye. Damn, that's heavy. Okay. This is a box, right? This is a box, a rectangular box. This is memory foam. It's black. Okay, understandable. Instructions. We're gonna put that back there because I like to lose things. Can I grab this out? Should I be grabbing things out? This is this. We're doing a reveal, so you know, why not show everything? I can't be. I hate people who do it like that, so. What the heck is this? And it's mad heavy, B. What the hell is this? Oh, what? Oh, okay. This is for the back of the monitor. You feel me? You got the vision? This is where the monitor goes. I'm pretty sure there's some flat thing that goes right here. Okay. That's the rectangle. Watch. What and what the heck is this? Okay, it's not that, but it's this. Here he. Okay, I don't know what this is, but we're gonna put that back into the rectangle. I got mad HDMI wires because I'm official. Stop playing. We're gonna leave that right there. Okay. This is more memory foam. Irrelevant. This is the bottom part. It's not irrelevant. Let me correct myself because without that, this would be broken. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Deep. What the heck is that? There's a key at the bottom for something. I don't know. Okay. I don't need instructions for this part. Bang. Bang. Oh, I get it. And the key is to lock it in probably. Watch. Watch. Righty tighty, lefty boosty. I think it's tight in it. I need a screwdriver. Luckily, my knife comes with one. Phillips head. You don't need no other body. Damn, this shit hurts to hold. Cut my hand. It's the corners, B. Alright. Alright. Okay. Is it secured? Wow. I'm a genius. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here. Boom. Woo! Nah, that shit looks sexy already. What the heck? Okay. The moment we've all been waiting for. Okay. Let me put this knife back over here, you know. I used to do construction. You gotta put yourself back before you go to the next thing. Bang. Put that right there. I go with you, right? I go with you. Look at this. Okay, this right here. It tells you how not and to do. All right. So I'm gonna lightly remove that, right? Boom. I mean, I can't pause videos. Is that the end of the video? Like, I'm not good at, this is fire. Hold on, let me just show y'all this. The buttons is right here, B. That's so hard. Oh, look. Got the alien thing right here, too. Shout out to the alien guys. Shout out to the alien guys, my guys. Shout out to my alien guys. My guys at Alienware. You know, I didn't forget. I was just dramatic with it. Alright. Let me put that bad boy down because I'm touching it too much. Anything else in here for me? Nope. There's more memory foam. Do you want to see it? Okay. Boom. That is all. I promise you, I'm not hiding nothing. You got a little something in here for me? You got like... Nah, ain't nothing in there. Okay. See? Now, I'm gonna clean up because I hate a mess. Put that inside there. I'm lying. I don't hate a mess, but I'm getting better at cleaning up after myself. So. Put that right there. Put that right there. Boom, boom, bang, bang. This is garbage though. Alright guys, that's it for the video. If I know how to do when I edit stuff, I'm gonna show you how the finished product after, but you know, this is an iPhone recording, who knows. But I appreciate the video, man. I'm gonna let y'all know how the review is in the comments. Like after it's set up, if it looks great, valid or not, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. Stay beautiful.